Hey there, if you're looking for a way to keep your air conditioner nice and cool and protected, so it's getting to be wintertime here, but we still have some warm days ahead of us. Even so, this is an air conditioner cover that the brand sent to us. So you see right there, there's the brand. And it is designed for air conditioners 32 to 36 inches wide. So it has 3 straps, and I'm going to show you how those 3 straps work. 2 go on the sides, and they just hook into the vents there. So I'm going to put one on that side, and then one on this side. And then one into the back, which, that's all right, you're not going to see it, but it's just hooking onto there. And then this one will go to the center of the AC. So I want to kind of center that a little bit. And then this straps on here, and you can adjust the height. So what's going to happen is when your air conditioner kicks on, this will automatically flip up. So I can do that like that, and then my wife's going to turn the air conditioner on with her phone through our app. And when it starts to blow air, there it goes. Automatically lifts up like that. So it keeps the sun from beating down inside of your air conditioner and keeps leaves and debris out of there. And then when the air conditioner goes off, it's just going to reset itself. And then when it's wintertime and you know the air conditioner is not going to be coming on at all, you'll take this carabiner clip and move it down here so this doesn't blow away with the wind. So go ahead and shut it off. And just like that, it covers the AC again. What an ingenious idea. Thanks for watching.